Hey guys, welcome back to Handicap Hunter ZA. Today's the big one, my first full 18 round on camera, right here at my local spot, Pretoria Golf Club. This course has some serious history. Legends like Gary Player helped shape it back in the day, and guys like Retief Goosen, Charles Schwartzel, and George Coetzee have all teed up here. Proper South African royalty on these fairways. And then there's me, a 22-handicap plumber, just trying to survive without looking too out of place. Spoiler alert, I got some decent shots, a couple of chunks, and classic me. My phone battery quit before hole 14 and the mic gave up on 11. My power bank's on order for next time, I promise. Stick around to see how it all went down and what I actually shot. Let's jump in.
Oh man.
So first hole, par 4, 351 meters, dogleg right, and we're going to go with the driver.
Yeah, that should be good. That's eager. Yeah.
I'm really sorry guys, but I actually set up the tripod for my second shot and I forgot to hit record, so you're just going to need to bear with me regarding this. It was my first time. What actually happened was I hit the tree in front of me and it just rebounded back just right at the fairway in the rough. We have about 82 meters to the green and we've got a bunker on the left and right hand side of the green.
Oh, he's thinned it. That back of the green probably. Sit. Wow. That's it. Get there, sit. Get in. Oh, what a putt, man. What a putt. Excellent.
I'm not going to complain, thanks.
Good job, man.
I'm not going to complain about that.
This is a tough putt, this, man. Got a little right to left here.
There we go.
Cool. Okay, what was that? Par, hey?
That's a par for me.
So Willem, who I was paired with today, sinks his putt for par. I end off on a 6 on a par 4 and off to hole 2. Now, hole 2 is pretty straightforward, straight down the middle. No dog legs or anything like that. I've just got to focus on keeping it on the fairway.
Oh, go left.
All right.
You think that'll reach him? Yeah, probably. Right, gonna lay up 7-9 in between the two trees. Just trying to get a bit of a rhythm going here. Try to smoke it, and that's what happens. Teethed it in the shirt once again. Hold it up a little bit, so. All right. Okay. That should be good. It's an interesting one. Put this just on the left there. No. Should be good, yeah. Sit. Game of heart, man. What are we thinking? Downhill, a little bit of a right to left. Sit. I'll take that. Lovely.
Right, on to hole 3. It's a par 4, 366 meters, dog leg left with a lot of bad stuff on the right.
Come on. Is it? Didn't draw enough. Gotcha. Okay.
So I'm in the right-hand rough, about 150 meters to the pin, plus minus. I've got an 8 iron in hand. Unfortunately, I'm underneath this tree.
God damn it. I see the flag. Now I'm tempted. But I know I'm going to smoke this tree if I go for it. Really hard ground. Oh no. Oh no. Roll up there. Roll up there. I don't know what I was doing there, to be honest. Didn't play the normal pitching shot. Instead I tried some other fancy weird shit. Okay, I can finish that quick. Yeah, this will be all right. I hope. Oh, maybe not. I pulled that completely. Right, let me mark that so that I don't embarrass myself some more. That was a double. No, man. Well, that's the triple, so no, that's all good. Yeah. Oh, nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I do not want to slice this one.
So after that embarrassment on the green, we get to hole 4. It's a par 4, 377 meters, slight dog leg to the left, and we're going driver in hand.
No. I'm gonna take a 5 iron here and punch it in through towards the hole. Can't see the flag, but I know where the green is. Right in between these trees. Oh man, I hit it so clean. Okay, I'm gonna go 8 iron. Try and punch it underneath. Just float it in there. Look at that.
That's usually my 125 club.
Gotcha, okay. Well, my pitching wedge is my 125. So I kind of just gotta take a bit off of it.
Check the light.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go straight under this. It's alright, if it comes off hot though, at least it goes high though. Which might take a little bit of distance off. Now let's see. Oh, it's gone right. Sit. Sit, sit. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, let me just. Jeez. Don't even know what. this is at the moment.
So by now, I'm having probably one of the worst starts to an 18-hole round, and it's probably because I'm a little bit under pressure setting up the tripod and everything like this is all very new to me. But I know I've just got to kind of pull it together, and so we arrive at hole 5, par 3. It's 141 meters, and I've got an 8-iron in hand.
Get there. Go left. Is it? Jeez. Wow. I'll get there. Come on, come on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can finish this confidently. There we go.
Smacked it.
Confident putt that, man.
So hole 6, 458 meters. It's a par 5, pretty much dead straight, and I'm going with a driver.
Go left. I think I had a slight fade on it. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so
See it down, but on
yeah.
the line of the tree, so it ought to be
Gotcha.
a bit open.
Okay, we're gonna go 6-iron, and we're just gonna try and get it up over these trees, back up onto the fairway. He's gonna go a little bit right. Oh, 4. I think that's all right. Okay.
Sorry guys, this is just another one of the shots where I forgot to hit record after setting up the tripod.
Oh.
Good roll.
Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Do kind of want it to go a little bit right. We don't want to go for that water.
So I finally got a par on the 6th, hole 7. It's a par 3, 173 meters, dead straight. There is a bit of water on the left, and I've got a 6-iron in hand.
No, not that far right. Okay.
It's on the line between the trees. I didn't see
Yeah.
it down because I'm not using
Yeah.
this guy, but it does funnel away.
Yeah, no, I should find it there. I've hit a couple of shots there before. No. It came off so hot, man. Sit. Wow, the 60 degree would have actually been the better club. Oh, it hit the grass before I reckon I could finish that quick. Cool, double bogey.
On to hole 8, par 5, long dogleg right, 473 meters. I've got a driver in hand, and the green is surrounded about 50% by water.
Yeah, that'll do. Okay. The swing felt a little awkward, yeah. Go right. Go right. Oh no. Sit. 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 Okay. Sit. Sit. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you. Woo. Saving some shots there.
So redeeming myself with a second par there on the 8th. We're on to hole 9, par 4, 375 meters, dog leg left, and the final hole of the 9.
Oh no.
So after hooking the ball into the trees on the left, I was forced to take a penalty drop. I did search for my ball for a couple of minutes there, but the pressure was on, and I then set up my tripod and forgot to hit record.
Sake, man.
So after hitting the 4th shot into the bush on the right-hand side, I was quite clearly frustrated. So I decided to just concede the hole, get up to the clubhouse, and start the second 9. 10th hole, par 4, 377 meters, dog leg left, and I've got a driver in hand.
Oh no. Is that going over? Shit. Okay. What? What happened? That's not my ball, is it? Serious? Jeez. Like, yeah, yeah. I saw it just launch up. I didn't realize it came back after us.
I wanted to catch it, but then it
I heard something bounce, but I thought you dropped your ball there, and then I was like, hold on a second, you're running a bit far. And I've got it on camera as well. Excellent. Oh man, okay. Come on. Driving range, eh?
there's the line.
Yeah. Okay, 5-iron. See what we can do from here. Just kind of want to get it. I'm going to punch it out with the 5. Oh, and I've caught a whole bunch of rough. I can't seem to hit the ball right now.
So I'm about 125 meters from the pin, pitching wedge in hand.
Ah, go left. Chunked it a bit. In the bunker. Yeah. Open up the face a little. Ah, sit. Game of hot. Once again. Little downhill. Left to right. Okay. A little bit short, but double bogey. Take that.
So not a great start to the back 9, but we get to hole 11, par 5, nice and long, 466 meters. There is a river just before the green, so usually you do have to lay up unless you smoke a drive. But I've got a driver in hand, and that's what I'm going to try and do.
Go left. Should be good.
At this point, my microphone dies, guys, so at this point, I'm just going to talk you through some of my shots. This shot, I'm just trying to get just before the river so I can get my 3rd shot onto the green from the back of the river. So that second shot I didn't really connect well, and obviously I put it in the rough here again instead of getting it back onto the fairway, so I have to punch it out into the fairway so that I can go for the green. So river just in front of us, we've got about 120 meters to the pin, 48 degree in hand. So a decent putt there, and I get a second putt in for a bogey, which I was quite happy about considering the shit I put myself in. Onto hole 12, par 3, long par 3, 194 meters, comes to around 212 yards, and I've got a 4-iron in hand. So another product of my excellent filming skills. For some reason, when I tilted the camera over to film in landscape mode, it kind of just did this, which I don't really know why it did that, but it did, and so I apologize. On to hole 13, par 4, 385 meters. A very interesting snake-like fairway, but usually if you can get it to the end of the dog leg there, you can then hit possibly like an 8-iron, or you can hit your 150 meter shot from there over onto the pin. So I'm in super thick rough here, and I'm just scared to try and go straight for the pin. It was pretty far, so I just decided to punch it out here. So about 118 meters to the pin, just over this willow tree. So I find out that my mic has actually died at this point. I turn it back on just to see how long it will last.
I'll get there. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Confident.
Yeah.
I'll grab the pin, we'll grab your camera.
Yeah. 100%. Good putt.
So at this point, I decide to stop filming as I've only got about 9% battery left on my phone without a battery bank. And so I go on to hole 14, pretty confident because at this point now I don't have to set up the tripods. I can kind of relax a little bit. And this is actually where I put in just a couple of good scores, which luckily actually brought my score down, which was good because I was on target to shoot some disgusting score at the end there. Hole 14, I shot a par, which was really good. Hole 15, I completely messed up. I went into the water on the par 3 twice, actually. So I got a triple bogey there. Got a double bogey on the par 5. I ended up putting like 4 putts on the green. It was pretty shocking after a really good drive and then a great second shot. It was very disappointing. Second last hole on the par 4, I parted again, which was really good. I absolutely smoked the drive right down the middle of the fairway, probably one of my longest drives. So that was really good. And then I got onto the 18th hole with another decent drive, got onto the green, and I got to 2-putt in for a bogey, which was fairly decent for myself, that is, at least. I ended up shooting 100, which is actually below my average, which was quite surprising after the start I had. For on hole 1, I had a double bogey, hole 2, double bogey, hole 3, triple, hole 4, triple, hole 5, double bogey. It was an absolute shocking start, but it was because I was doing something new. And so, yeah, it was really fun. If you guys have stuck around all the way through to here, I really appreciate you. And on to the next one, guys. I'll see you there.